The weather this last week has us thinking spring, so is it too early to tune up the air conditioner? Am I the only one with the allergies already bugging me? Gary's here from Home Comfort Experts to talk through it all with us. Let's start with the whole, is it too early to start thinking about the air conditioner? I'm certainly not turning it on at this point.
Well, no, you're probably not ready to turn it on. We don't know what spring is going to throw at us quite yet.
We'll probably have snow again.
I'm guessing so. You said that word. I didn't want to hear it anymore.
It's my fault. It's my fault.
But it's probably going to snow some more. But is it too early to think about getting your air conditioning maintenance done? Not at all. It's actually believe it or not, there's a lot of people that have started scheduling those already. We're getting ready to roll into those air conditioner maintenances. You know, people associate spring with warmer weather and their air conditioner having to come on, and a lot of people want that, you know, in the springtime to get done. As long as you get it done once a year, it's important, but yeah, now is a good time to think about it, especially if you haven't had it done in the past. If you've put it off, you're getting ready to head through another summer, do you think it's going to make it through that summer as well?
On the flip side, it's not too late to have that furnace serviced if you didn't get it done during the winter.
Right, exactly. You know, just like I just said, it's not too late. As long as you have it taken care of once a year, have it inspected, make sure it made it through the winter okay, make sure that everything's still safe on the inside of it. So when this fall comes around and you go to turn it on, you can rely on it starting up and being able to heat your home like it's supposed to.
Well, you and I were talking during the commercial break that spring is a little rough for us, the allergies, the sinuses. You guys have some products that you can put in our HVAC systems that can help us deal with those seasonal allergies.
Yeah, we have a lot of different options as far as filters, ultraviolet lights, air purifiers, that type of thing. Also, as we head into summer, you have to think about dehumidification. All winter long, we've been humidifying. It's cold, it's dry. Then now in Indiana, you have to think about pulling that moisture back out of that air. You know, filtration is one of the biggest ones. You know, we have dynamic air filters, they're electrostatic. They catch the dust and stuff that comes in contact with them. Filters and you know, that are bigger filters that are pleated filters that have a high MERV rating, which is a high rating to catch smaller particles. We also offer the air purifiers, the Remy Halos, stuff that will make the particles in the air bigger and sterilize the air and that type of thing to help you out with your allergies.
Is springtime a good time or is there any particular time of year that is better to have that duct cleaning done too, or does it matter?
It doesn't really matter.
Okay.
You know, I was just talking with some of the techs that people associate summertime with, okay, now it's spring cleaning, you know.
Right.
They want to clean the house, you know, out and get the ductwork all clean and get it ready to go for summer. And we do duct cleanings all winter long. There's no bad time to do a duct cleaning. The equipment, you know, we can take into the house and works the same in the winter as it does in the summer.
How often is there an average of how often we should have that done?
You know, we tell people about every 3 years. Okay. But it has to do with the home itself. You know, how many kids, pets, you know, people coming in and out that you have. It doesn't naturally, you know, the dirt just doesn't appear there. It comes from us. Sure. And, you know, dry skin, that type of stuff gets pulled into your ductwork through the returns. The returns are usually the worst. And then on the supply side, you know, you have to make sure those are clean as well. So.
I think about that wood burner in my house. That's got to be doing it.
Yeah.
Hey, you guys have moving vans at your place, don't you?
Yeah, we are in the process of moving. We're moving to 919 Production Road. It's been a chore to get it done.
It has.
and we're almost there. You know, I can see the light at the end of the tunnel, and we're looking forward to moving into a bigger space because we've grown quite a bit. And I like to think it's just because of you and I.
You know what? I totally think that's it. If it is or isn't, Gary and I are totally taking credit for this.
That's what we're going to do.
It's absolutely because of him coming on Insight that you're growing. Of course, I'm surprised that he's taking credit for it because I'm guessing that the people in your place that are actually moving the stuff are not happy about it right now. They're probably using your name in not very good terms.
That's right. I have to go back there in just a little bit.
That's not different from any other time. If you are interested in getting that air conditioner tuned up, or you need the duct cleaning, whatever the case may be, all you have to do is give them a call at Home Comfort Experts. 260-490-5100. We'll be right back.